In today's market report, we're going to go a year over year for June of 23 versus June of 2024, and we're going to go May 2024 to June 2024. A broad view of what things looked like last year versus this year. Angelo DePaola, the coastal connection with eXp Realty. Let's go ahead and get into it. Central Baldwin County, Foley, Robertsdale, Summerdale area, prices actually increased 4%. Coastal condos, Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, prices increased 11.6% from June of last year to June of this year. Coastal home sales prices increased 14.1% year over year. I hope you're seeing a trend here. Even with interest rates high, demand's high enough and supply's low enough to push prices on up. Eastern Shore sales price increase 4%. Northern Baldwin County is the only place that saw a decrease. They're down 18% year over year in prices. I would say this, like especially when you look at price points in these areas, the higher the price point, the bigger the increase in price. Pretty interesting to me. So what are we looking like today? We've got, looks like Jerome Powell is considering finally doing some rate drops. He's concerned now, not just about inflation, but the adverse of it is us going into a recession if we too late lowering rates. They're not going to do them in July. The Fed doesn't meet in August. The next opportunity to drop them is in September. There's a lot of people that think they're going to do it. Look, it's going to happen. I'm not naive enough to tell you that I know when it's going to happen, but I do know this. The average mortgage broker, not just here locally, but nationally, only 30% of their loan apps are actually people looking for property. What that tells me is there's a lot of people, there's a lot of demand, there's a lot of people, if rates got lower, they'd hop in the market. As I tell all my buyer clients, right now is a unique opportunity to buy. Once rates start coming down, I feel like we're on the very top of this roller coaster. We'll start seeing them come down. Will it be a linear drop? No, because I guarantee you, at least my thoughts are, is as rates start to go down with the amount of money sitting on the sidelines, with the amount of people sitting on the sidelines looking to buy real estate, that we will start to push inflation back up. But the good news is even stuff like PepsiCo, which owns Frito-Lay, they're down. Restaurants are down. Inflation is definitely getting beaten back, but as you can see, it wasn't a straight linear line down, and it's not going to be even once we start dropping rates. So what do we look like month over month? Total transactions for Baldwin County as a whole, up 2.4%. Average sales price as a whole, down 3%. Orange Beach, here's a crazy thing. And this is something you got to think about when you're out there and you're negotiating. Who do you have negotiating for you? Total transactions down month over month, almost 21.5%. But sales prices, set transactions down. Maybe that's a function of stuff, not as much property being on the market, but average sales price up 15% in Orange Beach. Gulf Shores transactions up almost 11%, 10.9%. Sales price up 2.3%. We're seeing prices go up already. We will continue to see that. I think it's a great opportunity really from this point on till probably sometime in February. I think there's going to be some really good opportunities to negotiate. We're going to come into the shoulder season. It's going to get a little slow. Rents for the average person that owns their investment property, they're down, not because there's less people here renting. Actually, tax revenues in Baldwin County from vacation rentals are up. Why are rental numbers down a little bit? Here's the reason. Way more inventory this year. We built a bunch of condos the past couple years. There's more inventory there. There's been a lot of insurance assessments this year. So more people are putting their property into a management program this year, whereas they might not have before because they're trying to cover some of the cost of ownership. One of the things you're always going to have to consider when buying something like this. And so insurance rates are up. That's kind of through the assessment thing. And so the average home property owner that's renting their property, their revenues are down. But as a whole, we're up. People are still taking vacations. Restaurants are down a little here locally. People that are taking vacations are obviously going to the grocery store some. Anyways, if you want to get real in depth with me, give us a call. We'd love to do a buyer consultation with you. We'd love representing our buyers. If you're looking to sell your property, you want some good strategy and tactics and timing on listing your property, world-class marketing and negotiation skills along with that, reach out to us, hit us with a DM. We'll catch you next time.